One of my favourite bits of kit is always going to be major bleed control tools. The Slishman Pressure Wrap is an awesomely multi-purpose tool. So first things first, to control a major bleed, this is a really gentle tourniquet. So it's thick and it's soft and it's wide. It's intuitive. So if you're bleeding from a limb and that bleeding can't be controlled with direct pressure, we're going to step up to this pretty quickly. I suggest you'll know immediately whether it's controllable or not, but we don't want to argue. We don't want to open up that massive debate. But remember, you have no spare blood. You can't put blood back in. So you have to keep it in your body so that you stay warm enough to live. All right, so it's got this loop. You would put your limb through that, tighten it up, and it comes all folded up. So I've just had it out to have a play with it, but basically high, tight and straight. So 5 centimeters above the bleed. So if I had a hand amputation, I would go here. I would pull it as tight as I have to get the bleeding to stop. So it's going to be firm. And I'd like to do a bit of a figure of 8, applying as much pressure as you need to with each one. So I think covering the biggest area that you can is less painful and damaging to tissues. So with a tourniquet, it is tight enough to stop blood leaving. So it's going to be a bit painful. We want to go high above the bleed, tight enough to stop the bleed, and straight across the limb. And with the Slishman, it all velcros together, and you're going to write the time of application on here. So as you can see, my hand's going really purple, my veins bulging. It's very effective. So I didn't even go full Monty with that. You can use this to sling. You can use this to support sprains, strains. You can use it as a donut dressing. It is a one size fits all. So you can use this for kids, pet and adults. So it's not limited. Oh, let me just get myself out of the tourniquet. So it's multi-purpose. So I can't do everything in this series in 2 minutes, but pretty much all of the things that I'm talking about, you can Google, and there'll be always someone who knows more than me, knows more than you, or additional things that you will find really interesting and useful. So really dig deep. What do you do? Why did you buy the kit? Where do you go? What's happened before? What could happen? Are your friends idiots? Do you need to be prepared for their tomfoolery? Think about those sort of angles as well. So I love a piece of major bleed kit, and this one's so lightweight. It is washable and reusable. I don't know that you'd follow the ambulance to the hospital and ask them for them back, but they're quite well priced as well if you were to buy these, or you want an additional one just to keep in your pocket when you need to leave the kit with the main camp. I think that's everything with the Slishman. It's a nice gentle tourniquet, keeps people alive. I love it.